Welcome to Garden Human. This channel is dedicated to building a relationship between humans and the ecosystems we live in. Let's face it, we've permanently altered our native landscapes, and I don't think there's any going back. At Garden Human, we're focusing on the future, building gardens that bridge the gap between humans and nature. I'll show you how to create landscapes that help heal our ecosystem and at the same time serve as great spaces for you and your family. I started Garden Human to share my love of native plants and gardening in general, because I think there's a gap in the current native plant movement. I think it's become a little too idealistic. I want to focus more on the practical aspects of native plantings. I bought a hayfield with my partner about 5 years ago, and we've been slowly transforming it into a pollinator paradise. And the journey has been really magical. It has its ups and downs, lots of mistakes and trials and tribulations along the way. I'd like to share that journey with you and share our experience and show you what we've learned. We can help you create your own pollinator paradise and help the ecosystem restore itself. There's going to be some work along the way. There'll be this, and this, and that, and even some of this. But at the end of it, I guarantee you're going to see things in a completely different way. And of course, you also get this, and this, and this, and even this, and these guys too. So I hope you'll join us. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot to do. We'll see you soon on Garden Human.